Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Geree outdoor security camera. It was sent to me for free, so thank you Geree for sending me this. I'm going to be doing unboxing. I might show you how to set it up and stuff with the app. Depends, I don't know. But yeah, so this is the box itself. 360 Wi-Fi cloud camera. So what it does is, it's an outdoor camera. I'll show you in a second. So say someone walks past your house, you'll follow them. The camera will actually pan and follow them. Any motion it detects, it will follow them. Say it's the person, it will detect it. It's got AI built in, some sort of AI chip. So yeah, 3D navigation positioning camera, 360 IS. Okay, let's see what that says. Supermarket, shop, warehouse. I don't know what the hell's that got to do there. Oh, so what you can use it for. We're going to be using it for the home. So panoramic camera, 12 volts, white color. You get different colors, I believe. It's currently out of stock, I think. Okay, so this is the features. HD video is 1080p, by the way, guys. Two-way audio, so you can scream at people if you want to. 3D navigation, IR night vision, which is good. Motion detection, smart alarm record. 360 degrees rotation. Video encryption. Account encryption, mobile remote control. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Alright guys, I got distracted. Okay. Support PC software, and then you put memory card in. Storage. Alright, let me go ahead and open this. Wow. This is the box itself. Oh shit. This is the power adapter, so it's waterproofed on the outside. So this is what will be standing outside basically. And this is the wire for it. Got a hook there as well, so you can screw into a wall. This is the junction box. Should be, yeah. So you got 3-pin adapter. It's very tiny though. I've never seen something that tiny before in my life. So I don't know if it's fused or not. Let's have a look. Is it fused? Does it say it's fused anyway? Not sure. I don't know if it's fused or not, because that is tiny, guys. I don't know. There might be a fuse in this box. Who knows? But yeah, if it's not fused, then it's quite a dangerous piece of kit, isn't it? Okay, this is the power adapter uses. It's like the PlayStation PSP one. Let me just turn down my friend. Okay, this is the camera itself. That is a pretty cool kit. Oh, as you can see, these are that's the camera. These are the all the LEDs around it, and then you got the normal LED. These are IR LEDs, so it helps you see at night. Oh, you got 3 LEDs actually, and 3 LEDs at the bottom. These are actual lights, and then they got the infrared ones on the sides. Okay, so you can have a light blink at people if you want to know that you're recording. You got a normal light there, which will be green or red, whatever. Okay, you got these Wi-Fi antennas. Wow, what do you call them? I don't know what they're called. Yeah. Alright, so this is 360, so you can pan it up and down. Fully up and down, yep. Wow. And then you can do swivel like this. So you can go any direction you want to turn it, basically, you'll be able to do it. You just have to, you'll just figure yourself out, basically. Don't know how we'll do it, but you'll figure it out. So then you can mount it. These are the mounting points. Wire goes through there. This is the wire. Got Ethernet port on this part. If you can't connect by Wi-Fi, Ethernet. That's the power one, I think. Yep. And let's see what's in this one. Oh yeah. 1 second, guys. Wow, that's. Come on. There you go. That's like a reset button, I think. Must be a reset button. Okay, nothing else in there apart from this. That's just some padding. Got a user guide, user manual. Okay, so it teaches you how to do everything, what app you need and stuff. So I guess it'll be pretty straightforward. They give you some mounts as well. I think this is for outside because it's got like an O-ring on it, so weatherproofing. And these are some screws and mounts for the outside. But most likely, I don't know if they'll be strong enough. But yeah, if you're planning to put this outside, you're going to need some sort of a junction box, a waterproof one, unless you already have power. I'm going to plug this into the power. Oh wow. Let me in the plug. Okay, so it's on now. The red LED is showing there. Don't know how well you can see that. It's tiny, guys. So red LED showing, which means it's on. Oh, it's turning. What the hell? The AI has taken over, guys. So this is how it will be on the wall. So now it's showing how it will be. So pretend that's the wall there. That's how it will look. That's pretty cool, guys, isn't it? And then put these out wide like this. It looks like a beast. It looks like the Terminator's coming after you. Put them up like that. Look at the Terminator. Wow, wow. Okay. So yeah, I really like it. But I've seen videos on this, like how to, after it's set up and stuff, what it looks like and sick. It's pretty sick. It follows people around, so I'll try. If I do get this set up, I'll show you an example video of how it works, like it tracks people. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.